experiencing whatever I am about to tell you. Um, we'll try to find a way out of this. Okay, parents and teachers are your personal cheerleaders, they are not the enemy. Okay, this is the age when we feel that the entire world is against us. No matter what we say, no matter what we do, no matter what we choose, everybody has something to say about it, right? And in turn, हमें लगता है कि the entire world is against us, पूरी दुनिया हमारी दुश्मन है, including our parents, including our teachers, including our friends sometimes, right? Now let's talk about this topic क्योंकि this is extremely essential for you to understand. क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि हमें चीजें बहुत लेट समझ में आती हैं. Okay? So I want you to experience that. That's why we chose to do this topic, take up this topic. Now, when you hear a statement like "beta padhai kar lo" from your parents or your teachers, how does that make you feel? जब भी कोई आपको बोलता है, आपके parents या teachers, कि बेटा पढ़ाई कर लो, बैठ के पढ़ाई थोड़ी बहुत कर लो, तब आपको कैसे फील होता है? आपको गुस्सा आता है या बहुत प्रेशराइज्ड फील होता है, प्रेशर्ड फील होता है कि मैम दबाव डाल रहे हैं, सब प्रेशर डाल रहे हैं मुझ पे, या आपको स्ट्रेस्ड फील होता है, बहुत तनाव फील होता है, मिसअंडरस्टूड फील होता है कि मैम मैं इतनी पढ़ाई कर तो रही हूँ ना, आई एम स्टडिंग सो मच बट स्टिल मुझे गलत समझा जा रहा है, राइट? या आपको अनॉयड फील होता है, आप नाराज हो जाते हो, इरिटेशन हो जाती है.
Can I say first?
यस, ऑफ कोर्स.
Ma'am, in my case, I have totally different scenario. Like we have just came into like 11th or 10th are over. So like not just, but 11th is going to end. But still, from 10th we have just arrived to senior classes where studies totally changed. Like I took non-medical chemistry and math. So in like 10th, till 10th, I was like totally good, being the best in whatever I did. But in science stream, I'm getting low in some subjects. Like I'm putting much efforts, but not getting the results what I want. So what mm, my mother thinks that she knows I study, and वो मुझे हमेशा डांटती है कि अब मत पढ़. लाइक शी ऑलवेज टेल्स मी कि बस कर, अब रख दे. ऐसा मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं है कि शी टेल्स मी टू स्टडी. शी स्टॉप्स मी टू स्टडी मोर बिकॉज मैम वी नीड एफर्ट्स टू कम बैक टू व्हाट वी वर और व्हाट वी वांट टू अचीव. बट लाइक I don't get time. Like I arrive at my home at like 4 something, and then we need break. So till 6 or 7, I don't want to study, and after that I study till 10 or 11. So she gets fed up, like why am I studying during the night and why so much? So I always get scolded that I should not study more. She has even complained to my teachers that I study this much, but still I'm not scoring.
Oh, अरे, all right, that's a new take altogether. Because generally what I've heard is, मैम ये बिल्कुल पढ़ाई नहीं करता. मैम ये बुक से हमेशा दूरी भागती है, right? And this is something new. Okay, we have Muskan also, same to same. All right, I'm very happy to see this कि even now parents have to say कि अरे कम पढ़ाई कर ले, कोई बात नहीं. But and even if that happens, probably good evening, Kavya. Hi. So sometimes, yes, I agree. We put in a lot of efforts. We feel कि हमने 100% दिया है. Um, good evening, Arpit. I hope you all are doing fine. So sometimes the results of our efforts are not up to the mark. Okay, they are disappointing. So there are chances that you need to look at the way you present your paper, the way you present your concepts. So one thing I'll tell you, I'll share, ये थोड़ा सा टॉपिक से हटके है, but I would like to share here, is कि मेरी एक फ्रेंड थी, okay, she was from the science background, and another friend who was from the arts background, okay. तो ये दोनों एक ही लॉ कॉलेज में थे, And one day they both called me saying कि हमारा रिजल्ट लगा, and वो जो साइंस वाली थी, she was brilliant. I mean, you tell her to just like you and मुस्कान कि अरे बस कितना, मतलब will you eat the book now, मतलब पानी में घोल के पी गई है, ऐसे पढ़ाई करती थी. Okay. And still she was not able to score as much as my arts wali friend. Arts wali friend was also brilliant, uh, but they both scored really, really different. Arts wali friend scored really well. She was one of the toppers, whereas the science wali friend, she barely passed. Okay, so she had given her papers for the re-evaluation, वगैरह. But when we checked her paper, when we saw her paper, all her answers were right. But the way she had presented the answers was the main thing जिसके वजह से she lost marks. So she had written all the important points. Thak, 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 thak. Yes, this is the law. This is the explanation. This is the case law. This is the conclusion. Fine. You have mentioned all of that, but where's the explanation for that? Right? So the same answer was written by the arts wali friend, and she had written pages and pages and pages of the same thing. ओके, एक ही चीज उसने 4 बार रिपीट की थी, अलग अलग शब्दों में, एंड शी वॉज एबल टू मैनेज अ वेरी गुड स्कोर. Okay, so those of you who feel ki your efforts are not giving you the results that you were hoping for, you can probably try a different strategy for presenting your answers. Okay, we'll talk about that also. We have one session scheduled for exam stress. Usme I will be sharing a lot of study tips that worked for me and that worked for my friends and for my students. And we'll try to figure out what works best for you. Okay, all right. Now, have you ever wondered why they say beta padhai kar lo? Does anybody know why they say padhai kar lo?
Ma'am, because they know that in the current generation, we need to study. I mean, we need to be at least graduated to cope up with where the world is going.
Right.
Because being illiterate, or not directly saying illiterate, but not letting ourselves know the world technology and everything, whatever is going on around us, is what makes them to lag behind the world. So they
Yeah.
don't want us to get lag behind that. So they
Yeah.
want us to study and want us to explore that field also.
Absolutely. And they want us to keep up with the world. They want us to make sure that we are equipped enough to face the world. Arpit is saying because we don't study. Yes, वो तो मतलब डायरेक्ट ही आंसर है इसका. क्यों, वो क्यों बोलते हैं पढ़ाई कर लो, क्योंकि हम पढ़ते ही नहीं है मैम. You are right. Absolutely right. Now, इसके अलावा क्या रीजंस हो सकते हैं? They probably want a brighter future for you, right? They want you to do well. They know that you can do better, right? They know कि आप और थोड़ी पढ़ाई करके और थोड़ा concentrate करके अच्छे marks लेके आ सकते हो, right? They want what is best for us. Competition is so tough. I agree. पहले it was मतलब एकदम आइंस्टाइन के टाइम का. Okay, it was just arts, arts, arts. उसके बाद there was a time when it was just commerce, commerce, commerce. उसके बाद आया science, science, science. Now again, arts is taking over, right? Arts and commerce is taking over. Now competition is equally high in any field you choose. You choose to do the most unique thing that is invented on the earth, on the face of this earth. उसमें भी competition होगा. All right, and your parents want to make sure that you are prepared for such competition. Okay, यहाँ से हार नहीं माननी है आपने. Now let's decode these adults. Okay, uh, एक कोड की तरह होते हैं. कंपटीशन बहुत ज्यादा है और डिस्ट्रैक्शन मैम उससे भी ज्यादा है. यस रिंकी, स्पॉट ऑन. एब्सोल्युटली. We have no count of the number of distractions we have in our lives, right? If it's not something that is right in front of us, it is something in our mind, right? Those distractions are plenty. उसमें से बाहर आके आपको पढ़ाई करके अच्छे मार्क्स लेके आने हैं। इमेजिन, एक और आपका हर्डल बढ़ गया है यहाँ पे। राइट, मेरे टाइम पे ऐसा नहीं था। फोन्स इतने ज्यादा नहीं थे, स्मार्टफोन्स तो थे ही नहीं। तो एक कम चीज थी जो हमें हर्डल थी, हमारे लिए हर्डल थी। राइट, अब आपका कंपटीशन और बढ़ गया। नाउ लेट्स डिकोड दीज अडल्ट्स। सो सबसे पहले आता है what you see versus what they say, what they see, sorry. So your world, that means आप क्या फील करते हो, and उनका world, okay, what they feel. I'll just mute everybody, huh? Yes. All right. So you people are completely different from each other, right? You are very individual uh, when it comes to yourselves, right? You are completely different from your parents also. Your parents themselves are different from each other, right? अलग अलग है सब, बहुत सारे differences है हम सब में। Now उसके वजह से देखने का नजरिया भी बहुत अलग होता है। वर्ल्ड को देखने का नजरिया अलग होता है, चॉइसेस को देखने का परसेप्शन अलग होता है। सो व्हेन यू से आई वांट टू हैव फन विथ माय फ्रेंड्स, ओके, उनके दिमाग में आता है कौन से फ्रेंड्स, कितने फ्रेंड्स, राइट, कहाँ के आए हैं ये फ्रेंड्स एकदम से, उनके नंबर क्या है, उनके मम्मी पापा क्या करते हैं। अगर आप बोलते हो कि मुझे बाइक पे जाना है उनके साथ, तो कौन सी बाइक है, उसका नंबर क्या है, कौन बाइक चला रहा है, कितनी स्पीड पे चलाएगा, आप हेलमेट पहनोगे कि नहीं। ये सारे क्वेश्चंस उनके दिमाग में आते हैं। व्हाई? बिकॉज दे वांट योर देयर चाइल्ड, दे वांट यू टू बी सेफ, राइट। अगर कुछ उल्टा सीधा हो गया बाहर जाके, तो द फर्स्ट पर्सन यू विल रन टू is either your father or your mother, right? They are our safety net, है ना? When you say I am tired and need a break, मम्मी पापा मैं बहुत थक गई हूँ, I need a break, बट फिर भी मम्मी पापा बोलते हैं कि अब कल एग्जाम है तो पढ़ाई करो। What do they want? They want you to have the opportunities they did not have. Okay, आजकल अपॉर्चुनिटीज हमें बहुत अच्छी मिलती है। Imagine not having a phone, not having a laptop, not having internet at all, right? हर एक डाउट के लिए आपको लाइब्रेरी में भागना पड़ता है, लाइब्रेरी को खुलने का वेट करना पड़ता है, एंड देन यू चूज द बुक, एंड देन समटाइम्स यू स्टिल डोंट फाइंड द आंसर। दे हैव डन ऑल दैट, राइट? अपॉर्चुनिटीज आपको बहुत है, आप कैसे इस्तेमाल करते हो उसका, दैट मैटर्स अ लॉट। ओके, व्हेन यू से व्हाई डोंट दे ट्रस्ट मी, उनको व्हाई कांट दे ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई से कि मैं ये पढ़ाई करूंगी, व्हेन आई से कि आई विल स्कोर बेटर, व्हाई डोंट दे ट्रस्ट मी? Their way of looking at it is that I am scared for their future. Okay, it is not distrust in you, it is just their worry for you. Okay, they want you to do your best. Now, my dreams are different from theirs. So I'll share one example here. One student had come to me saying कि mummy is BA pass and papa is an engineer. तो I said okay, तो आपको क्या करना है? So he said, "नहीं, mummy wants me to wants me to do BA like her and then probably MA, and Papa wants me to become an engineer like him." So I said, "What do you want?" So that girl told me कि "मैम मुझे तो डॉक्टर बनना है." So this was completely different from what her parents were, right? From her parents' qualifications. So what is the problem? तो she said कि मैम प्रॉब्लम ऐसी है कि घर पे कोई डॉक्टर नहीं है, तो मम्मी पापा को टेंशन ये लगी है कि अगर इससे डॉक्टर की पढ़ाई नहीं हुई तो आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू हेल्प माई चाइल्ड। ओके, दैट वॉज देयर वरी। सो यहाँ पे योर पेरेंट्स, their dreams are completely different from yours. Sometimes they might be same, they might be similar, but most of the times it is completely different, right? Sometimes parents become doctors because they want to help others. Their children become doctors because they want to mint a lot of money, right? So their dreams are different. But the underlying emotion is, I don't know how to help them. They can't understand your dream. Hence they can't help you out. So उसके वजह से कम्युनिकेशन गैप बढ़ता है एंड उसके वजह से मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स बढ़ती हैं. एंड व्हेन यू से दिस इज टू मच प्रेशर, बहुत स्ट्रेस दे रहे हो आप लोग मुझे, your parents are trying to tell you, are you ready for the world? Is my child ready for the world? The world is ruthless. Okay, you do something, you don't do something, there are going to be consequences of the same. Okay, whether you like it or not, consequences होंगे, हर चीज के होंगे. Okay, पेरेंट्स चाहते हैं कि अगर मेरा बच्चा बाहर जाके काम कर रहा है या कर रही है, तो that child should be able to manage himself or herself when they go out. Okay, तुरंत रो के वापस नहीं आना चाहिए, हिम्मत बढ़नी चाहिए. राइट, दे शुड बी कॉन्फिडेंट, दे शुड बी इंडिपेंडेंट. दैट इज व्हाट दे वांट. नाउ लेट्स सी द पढ़ाई कर लो डी कोडर. दिन में 100 बार मम्मी बोलती है पढ़ाई कर लो, पढ़ाई कर लो, पढ़ाई कर लो. ओके, आई हैड वन स्टूडेंट सेइंग कि मैम खुद तो 10th पास नहीं है मेरी मम्मी, और मुझे बोलती ही रहती है कि पढ़ाई कर लो. So that was very mean. That was very rude, very disrespectful towards the mother who had sacrificed everything of her life for you, for the child, right? So what that child was hearing, जब भी उसकी मम्मी बोलती थी पढ़ाई कर लो, वो सुनता था यू आर नॉट गुड इनफ. ओके, आप पढ़ाई नहीं अच्छा करते हो, आप पढ़ाई में अच्छे नहीं हो, आपके मार्क्स ही नहीं आते. राइट, बट उसका एक्चुअल मीनिंग होता है आई वॉन्ट यू टू बी इंडिपेंडेंट एंड हैव चॉइसेस इन योर फ्यूचर. ओके, मैं चाहता हूं कि आप इंडिपेंडेंट हो और आपके पास अपने करियर में चॉइसेस हो. So one example I'll tell you, one of my relatives' son is now a lawyer, and he had sacrificed everything in his life. I mean, he was one of the all-rounders kind of a boy. एंड स्पोर्ट्स में भी अच्छा, पढ़ाई में भी अच्छा, ऐसे काइंड ऑफ था वो, है वो रादर. सो ही सेड कि दीदी मुझे ना आर्म्ड फोर्सेस में जाना है. आई सेड कौन सा एग्जैक्टली, इंडियन नेवी, एयरफोर्स या आर्मी? तो ही सेड नहीं, आई एम फाइन विथ एनीथिंग, आई एम फाइन विथ एनी ऑफ द थ्री. आई सेड ओके. तो उसने देर इज एन एंट्रेंस एग्जाम फॉर ऑल द थ्री, ऑल राइट, एंड एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स दी, एसएसबी क्लियर किया, एंड राइट नाउ he has the choice to join any of the three armed forces. Can you imagine, all the three armed forces are telling him कि आप आओ, join us. He's gotten the call letter from all the three forces. Why? Because he put in the effort, because he said कि मैं अभी मेहनत लूंगा ताकि बाद में I can enjoy my life, and instead of, like my friends, like my other siblings, I will not enjoy now and then repent later. Okay, बाद में पछताना नहीं है मुझे. So right now he is at that juncture of his life where he can decide to, he can choose literally कि मुझे आर्मी में जाना है, एयरफोर्स में जाना है या नेवी में जाना है. Okay, so if you want to have that choice, you will have to make sure that you are good enough for that you are taking efforts for that. Okay, because you deserve it, you deserve all the happiness, you deserve all the money. And अर्निंग के लिए या मनी के लिए आप कुछ काम कर रहे हो, गलत नहीं है. Just make sure it is legal and it is good work. Okay, now the phone decoder. When they say stop wasting your time on the phone constantly, मैम जब देखो फोन हाथ में होता है एंड स्क्रॉल करती रहती है, हमेशा रील्स देखती रहती है, या हमेशा फोन लेके कुछ ना कुछ व्हाट्सएप पे फ्रेंड्स के साथ चैटिंग शुरू होती है इसकी. What you hear is you are lazy and you are irresponsible. बहुत ही आलसी और गैर जिम्मेदार हो. But what they actually mean is I'm worried about your health, your safety and your focus. यहाँ से फोकस हटा आपके लाइफ से, आपके स्टडीज से. Ultimately, it is going to affect your entire life. Okay, 5 minutes now will determine 5 years later आप कहाँ हो. Okay, it is a very exaggerated thing. ऐसे लगेगा आपको जो मैं बोल रही हूँ, but it actually makes sense, right? It is,
Yes, Samantha.
oh, thank you. And it is वेरी वेरी ट्रू, क्योंकि आप अभी मेहनत करोगे तो ही जाके यू विल गेट द बेनिफिट ऑफ इट. सो इट्स लाइक ट्राइंग टू ग्रो अ प्लांट. अगर आपको मैंगोज खाने हैं, मैंगो ट्री को आपको ग्रो करना पड़ेगा. उसके लिए एक छोटा सा सीड होगा एंड देन वो ग्रो होगा. राइट? एक फल में तो मैंगोज नहीं आएंगे, ब्लिंकेट की तरह ट्रीज नहीं ग्रो होते. राइट? तो यू विल हैव टू पुट इन द एफर्ट.
And
यस.
Blinkit also took time to become Blinkit what it is now.
Yes, exactly. So you got the point. Very nice. So that is exactly what I'm trying to say. Ki you will have to put in the effort, you will have to understand yourself and then make the choices. Okay? Now, the comparison that happens in every single person's life. शर्मा जी का बेटा. ओके. वो वो देखो कितने मार्क्स लेता है, कितने मार्क्स लाता है, एंड ही स्कोर सो वेल. अरे उसके 90% आए. तो व्हाट यू हियर जब मम्मी पापा बोलते हैं कि उनके बेटे को कितने अच्छे मार्क्स मिले. राइट? अरे वाह, 10th में उसको इतने मार्क्स मिले. अरे वाह, 12th में उसने टॉप किया. राइट? when they say this, what we hear, we become defensive. हमें बुरा लगता है कि मम्मी पापा बोल रहे हैं आई विश यू आर समवन एल्स, और आई विश यू आर समवन लाइक दैट पर्सन. राइट? काश तुम कोई और होते. ऐसे हम सुनते हैं, बट व्हाट दे एक्चुअली मीन is I'm not sure how to motivate you. So I'm using the best example in front of me to motivate you. ओके. तो मुझे पता नहीं है मैं आपको मोटिवेट कैसे करूं, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा, इसलिए मेरे सामने जो बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल है उसे मैं यूज कर रहा हूं. तो विल टेक एन एग्जाम्पल हियर. लेट्स से यू वांट टू लर्न हाउ टू प्ले चेस. ओके. एंड तो टेल मी, विल यू go to a person who has just started learning how to play chess, or will you go to a person who is an extremely excellent player, a fabulous player?
Mom, of course, the experienced one.
Exactly, the experienced one. You will go online also, वहां पे भी आप tutorials देखोगे. गिटार सीखना है उसके tutorials देखोगे, and you will learn from the best possible teacher who is available. Right? Because they have set the best example. So वैसे ही our parents also want to see the best. They want to give you the example of the best ताकि आप motivate हो and you also try to be the best. Okay? All right. Now, हमारे yes, खुशबू हो गया. गलती से mute हो गया. I'll just mute everybody. Okay. So हमारे जमाने में, now, I am also at that age, unfortunately, where I say this. Okay. But why do we keep saying that? Why do our parents, why do our teachers keep saying that constantly, Hamesha? Because they grew up with fewer opportunities. आपके पास जितनी opportunities हैं उतनी उनके पास नहीं थी. Alright? Competition बड़ा है, yes, पक्के से. But opportunities भी उतनी ही बड़ी है. You choose to do anything in your life, you will be able to make a career out of it, which was not possible, let's say 30, 40 years ago. Tak, right? Now, for them, education was not just learning. Right now, we have people who are pursuing a degree just because they like the subject, just because they like the sound of it. Okay, the popular one is psychology. They just want to learn about, how humans are, how the mind works, वगैरह वगैरह. But for them, education was a source of livelihood. उनकी डिग्री किसमें हुई है, उनका करियर क्या हो रहा है. I will, later on get married, have kids. I need to provide for them, right? Not necessarily everybody's wives work or vice versa, right? It was the only path to a better, safer life. So you need to always remind yourself कि your parents' roof. Okay, now think about it. Try to understand what I'm saying. Your parents' roof is your floor, right? It's a very, very important thing to always remember. They started from a very uncomfortable life so that they can provide a comfortable life for you. All right. Now, if your parents could see your effort and not just your marks, what would they notice? अगर इस मोमेंट में, इस क्षण में आपके मम्मी पापा आपके अंक नहीं, मतलब आपके मार्क्स नहीं, सिर्फ आपके एफर्ट देखते, तो उनके दिमाग में क्या आता? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? थिंक अबाउट इट कि विल दे बी हैप्पी कि अरे मेरा बच्चा कितना पढ़ाई करता है, अरे माय डॉटर स्टडी सो मच, और विल दे बी अ लिटिल डिसअपॉइंटेड कि अरे ये तो टाइम पास ही करती रहती है या करता रहता है, बिल्कुल पढ़ाई नहीं करती या करता?
Ma'am, totally different perspectives for everyone.
Yeah, absolutely. And not everybody might be comfortable sharing that. So it's okay. Just think about it, what their reaction might be. Okay. And depending on that, then maybe you can decide कि आगे क्या करना है, पढ़ाई ज्यादा करनी है कि नहीं. Okay. Alrighty. Now, the enemy test. Are they really your enemies? Are your teachers and your parents really your enemies? Let's think about it. Uh, are whatever we say sometimes, हर एक चीज के लिए we get a scolding. या in the previous session somebody told me कि मम्मी पापा बोलते हैं तुम इतना mature क्यों एक्टिंग करती हो, क्यों दिखावा करती हो, right? So are they really your enemies? Because she told me कि मैम, तो उस मोमेंट में लगता है कि yes they are my enemies, they don't want to understand me. Okay, so आपको भी ऐसे लगता होगा, which is fine. Just listen to this. All right, I hope that was visible and audible. So the gist of this video was कि जब वो बच्चा उठता है सो के, तब उसके पापा उसकी आरती उतारते हैं, जो हर पेरेंट्स हमेशा, आई हैव सीन देम डू दिस, sarcastically बोलते हैं कि अरे राजकुमार उठ गए हमारे तो, right? So they do that because they want you to understand कि it's very important to wake up early. उनके sarcastic comments कभी कभी funny होते हैं, but they need to be taken seriously. Okay? Now ask yourself, would an enemy work hard to pay your school fees? What do you think? Yes, no?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. All right. Would an enemy lose sleep when you're sick or have an exam?
No, ma'am.
No. No. Okay. And would an enemy celebrate your small wins like they won the lottery? For example, when you do something good in class, या आपके अच्छे marks आते हैं and your teachers appreciate you. So will your enemy say कि अरे पता है, दूसरों को फोन करके बोलेंगे कि अरे पता है आज क्लास में ना अ, मेरे बेटे की या मेरी बेटी की इतनी आज अप्रिसिएशन हुई थी, टीचर ने ऐसे बोला, उसके इतने मार्क्स आए? No, your enemies will never do that.
My enemy surely get jealous instead of being proud and celebrating.
Exactly. Yes, correct. Enemies का काम completely अलग है, and वो अपने अपने enemies करते रहते हैं. Okay, you don't have to worry about that. That's their headache. But your parents and your teachers will never ever be qualified as your enemies. Okay, misunderstandings होती रहती हैं, and they will happen throughout your life. Trust me. No matter how old you grow, it will happen. But there is always a way out. Also, your teacher asking you to redo your assignment is not to trouble you, it is to help you shine brighter. Your teachers know, the teachers always know which child is doing according to their potential, which child needs to put in a little more effort, and which child needs to make sure that the assignment is redone so that they can remark that child's performance. Okay, अच्छे मार्क्स आप ला सकते हो, बस मैम एफर्ट नहीं डाल रहे, राइट? या डाल रही है. So again, they are also not your enemies. What they really want, parents क्या चाहते हैं? आपकी सेफ्टी चाहते हैं. They want a good future for you, and they want your happiness. They want you to be happy. Okay, they have seen all the sadness in life the life can offer. They want to make sure that my child does not go through what I had gone through. Okay, वैसे ही your teachers, they want you to learn, they want you to put in the effort, क्योंकि they know आपका potential कितना है, आप कितनी effort डाल सकते हो, and they want you to be curious. Curiosity, trust me, throughout your life आपने रखनी ही है. Okay, be in awe of things. Be curious कि why is this happening this way? Why did that happen? Who is this person? What am I doing? Be curious. क्योंकि जब curiosity is not there, तब you are just flowing, going on with the flow. Okay, जैसे चल रहा है वैसे चलने दो, चलो ठीक है यहीं पे. फाइन, आर्ट्स तो आर्ट्स, साइंस तो साइंस, कॉमर्स तो कॉमर्स, फाइन, जो भी है. आप रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं लोगे तो कोई और आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लोगा, एंड वाई डू यू लेगा, एंड वाई डू यू वांट टू गिव दैट पावर टू somebody else, right? It's your life, it's your choice. Okay, they both want you to do well, and always remember their ways might differ. Somebody might be soft spoken, somebody might be more of a tough love kind of a person, or somebody might be sarcastic, right? Or somebody might speak through actions. So unke ways might just differ, but they all want you to do well, right? Yes. So please always remember that your victory is their victory. Whatever good or bad happens to you, they are the first ones who get affected by it. Okay? Please always remember कि आप अगर खुश नहीं हो तो सबसे ज्यादा hurt आपके parents होते हैं, आपकी teachers होती हैं, because they know you as a child, they know you as a person, and they know what you are good at, how good you are as a person. Okay? सो कम्युनिकेशन गैप जो होता है उसको हम फिक्स कैसे करें? कि शायद आप जो बोलते हो वो सामने वाले को समझ में नहीं आता, सामने वाला जो बोलता है हमें समझ में नहीं आता, या हम समझना नहीं चाहते. कि समटाइम्स दैट कैन हैपन, हमारा ईगो आ जाता है, नहीं तो हम ऐसे सोचते हैं कि इनको क्या पता, राइट? सो ऑलवेज यूज द आई फील स्टेटमेंट इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग स्टॉप नैगिंग मी. बार बार ये चीज बोलना बंद करो यार. Instead of saying this, try to say, I feel stressed when we talk about studies right after I get home. Can we please talk after 30 minutes when I've relaxed? Okay. तो जब आप
Mom,
I
can I say something?
yes, of course.
Well, generally, like I won't talk to my mother like this, but like we all have different opinions on different things, and most of the times it happens that me and my mother we don't have same opinions for one thing,
Mhm.
and mainly the main topics are uh, politics and the world going around us, like how people opt for different things. And
Mhm.
my mother always like my mother is single parent, so she works really hard for us, and I have seen her over the years. But कभी कभी होता है जब बहस सी हो जाती है कि
Mhm.
मैं कहना कुछ और चाहता हूँ, बात कुछ और हो जाती है. And
Right.
then ma'am, I have tried using different things, like tried being sometimes quiet to just listen her what she's saying, then reply later on
Mhm.
in a well manner so she won't get angry or get stressed about it.
Mhm.
But ma'am, like you said, like try I feel statements. But
Mhm.
what my mother does, like whenever I have tried, like I searched on internet how to like convey yourself better in a better way. So I also got these type of solutions. So, but what I get in response is that she always thinks that कि हाँ तुम्हें ही सारी दिक्कत होती है, हम
Ah,
इतना कुछ है किसी और के साथ तो हुआ ही नहीं,
right.
हम तो पूरे बड़े हो गए. So these statements overlap ours.
Correct, 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 correct. I cannot tell you how happy I am that you brought this up, because our parents, sometimes it so happens कि whenever we try to talk to them about certain things, तब they end up uh, taking all the blame and saying things like हाँ सारी गलती मेरी है, हाँ हम ही बुरे हैं, and things like that, right? On certain similar lines. My mother is here right now, and I can't tell you how many times I've had a fight with her on differing opinions. But one thing that really worked for me is writing a letter. Okay, so in case if any one of you is finding it hard to express yourself, write a letter because that sort of helps you convey your feelings better. You are more clear about आप बोलना क्या चाहते हो, and when they read the letter, तब there is no accusation happening. कि this I feel this because you said this. That is not happening. So they don't feel accused. They have that space for themselves. कि okay, nobody's looking at me when I'm reading this, and then they have some time to ponder upon it also. To think about it. Okay, probably yes, probably I overreacted. Probably my child is scared of expressing himself or herself in front of me because I react in a certain way. So you can try writing a letter and let me know if that works. And we'll certainly discuss certain things.
इसमें मैं भी था।
Yes. Okay. So in case आपके पेरेंट्स एकदम ही अदर एंड पे जाते हैं कि यस सारी गलती मेरी ही है एंड एवरीथिंग, तो आप शांत हो जाओ एकदम से. It's okay. They are just having a hard day. Okay. So we have to be understanding sometimes. Right? All right. Ask, don't
मैम
accuse.
व्हाट यू सेड लाइक आई सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट बट लाइक मैम मुझे आपने जो बोला था मुझे एक शेर सा याद आ गया। कैन आई रिसाइट
Yes, of course.
मैम लाइक इसी पे लाइक ऑन पेरेंट्स ही आई हर्ड इट अ लॉन्ग टाइम अगो आई बट आई हैव इट इन माइंड लाइक कि वो हाँ वो कैद एक गम में रहकर हमें आजाद कर गए, जो दर्द खुद पे लिया हम पे वो सब कर्ज कर गए, वो एक चिराग थे जलते रहे तमाम उम्र हमारी राह में वो खुद ही रोशनी कर गए।
Oh my God, beautiful, amazing, and so apt. You're absolutely right. Can you please
यस
write
मैम।
it down in the chats, please? I
ओके
really
मैम।
loved it. Yeah, thank you so much. I'm so, so glad that you shared it. Very, very fitting here.
Like, no, I'm just when you say like I write sometimes. So when you said to write a letter, that it came up in my mind. So I thought I should.
How nice. No, no, very, very happy that you write so beautifully. Very nice. Lovely. Yeah, see, Muskan is also clapping. All right. So, like he said, उनके struggles अलग थे हमारे struggles से. Okay, and there are chances that they might not understand what you are going through. Okay, so that does not mean कि आप बात ही ना करो. Try to make them understand. Try to help them understand how to help you. कुछ भी बाहर होता है, कुछ भी आपके लाइफ में होता है, you need to be saved from something or someone. So it is your parents that you ask for. It is your parents that you want by your side, right? Because like I said, they are your safety net. तो उनके साथ हमें बॉन्ड लाइफ टाइम अच्छा रखना है, right? Okay. Now ask, don't accuse. So yeah, thank you for sharing. Try saying, Mummy, Papa, what was it like for you when you were my age? Okay. What were you stressed about? Was it your job? Was it your studies? Was it your marks? Was it taking care of your parents? What was it exactly? Was it getting to your school, reaching your college? क्या था exactly जो आपको स्ट्रेस देता था? And you can also add on, I want to do well. Can we make a plan together, please? So you need to remember that you are a team, right? They are not your enemies. They want to help you. You need to tell them how to help yourself. Okay, they need to understand कि okay, my child needs help here. So I am there for my baby, but I need to make sure that I am able to help my child. Okay, so I'll tell you one thing which I've written here, जो मैं भी practice करती थी. Every Sunday night, I used to make a plan for the week. ठीक है, study plan बना के I used to tell my mom कि please stick it on the fridge. Okay, fridge magnet या cupboard में आप रख लो, जो भी है. मंडे को आई विल स्टडी दिस, ट्यूसडे को आई विल स्टडी दिस, डा 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 डा, सैटरडे तक आई यूज टू मेक अ प्लान. And then on Saturday, ask me if I'm done all of this, if I'm done with whatever chapters I've written here. If not, तो Sunday एक मैं फ्री रखती थी खुद के लिए, जो भी बचा कुचा है वो Sunday को करूंगी. Okay, so this way you all are playing as a team member. You all are playing the same game. You are not against each other, you are together. Okay, so you can take their help. बस उनको बताना है कि कैसे मदद की जाए. ओके, अब आप छोटे नहीं हो. व्हेन दे ट्राई टू हेल्प यू आउट, आपकी चिड़चिड़ हो जाती है. एंड देन योर पेरेंट्स से कि अरे देन टेल अस हाउ टू हेल्प यू. राइट, सो यू नीड टू टेल देम. सो शो देम दैट यू आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल. You are responsible enough to take care of yourself. You are more than your marks. Now tell me, when you go out anywhere, कहीं पे भी, तो how many people have their 10th के marks या 12th के marks written यहाँ पे? देखा है
Ma'am, no,
किसी?
ma'am.
No one. Exactly. So, what do we judge in some person who is standing in front of us, except their physical appearance? Apart from that, we look at their kindness. That is your real report card. I'm not saying कि marks important नहीं है. Marks are equally important. Okay, marks are important. उसके आधार पे आपको आगे का कॉलेज मिलेगा, आगे आपके जॉब में आपको क्वेश्चन किया जाएगा आपके मार्क्स पे. ओके, सो कट ऑफ होता है हर जगह, हर जगह. ओके, हर चीज पे कट ऑफ होता है. सो जस्ट स्कोर वेल, कीप योर रिपोर्ट कार्ड क्लीन. एंड इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट रिपोर्ट कार्ड यहाँ पे आता है काइंडनेस. आर यू अ गुड फ्रेंड? So whenever we talk about our friends and friendship in this session, tab we are always talking about how others are as friends. But what about you? Are you a good friend or not? ये थोड़ा सोचना है. Next is creativity. Instead of focusing on the reels, the endless reels on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube, you can try focusing on art, music, or any other ideas that you have. Right? Creativity आप में कितनी है, and how much have you explored of your creativity? Okay. Problem solving. Did you help someone or did you fix something? मम्मी ने बताया था लास्ट वीक कि मिक्सर बिगड़ गया है, तो वो रिपेयर करना है. 5 मिनट का काम है, बट हमने नहीं किया. क्यों नहीं किया? मैम बस नहीं किया. राइट, सो व्हाई नॉट हेल्प योर मॉम आउट? राइट. एंड लास्ट इज रिस्पेक्ट. If somebody is scoring really well, 100 out of 100 in everything, but they are very disrespectful towards others in the class, they are very disrespectful towards teachers, we don't feel like talking to them. Of course, we will not, right? Anybody who is disrespectful towards you or towards others in front of you, that person needs to reevaluate their entire report card. Okay. Now, I'm talking about the help at home, not just बाहर का काम, घर का काम भी. किचन में जाके मम्मी को हेल्प करना. ओके, प्लेट्स लेना, पानी लेना, जो भी मम्मी बताए वो करना. एंड इट्स नॉट जस्ट फॉर द गर्ल्स, इट्स ऑल्सो फॉर द बॉयज. ओके, द मेन हियर, प्लीज लिसन अप. Try to help your mother out as much as you can. She will really appreciate it.
Ma'am, I help in everything.
That's really
Basic.
nice. Very good. You're being brought up really well. So, kitchen is not just for the girls. Yes, you are on mute.
Ma'am, then why did I still get scolded?
Oh, why? You still got scolded? अरे.
Then, like, I try my best to help my mother in everything,
Mhm.
but uh, ma'am, I'm very clumsy, so I always end up with something which makes her angry.
Oh, no, no, that happens. Even I tend to do that sometimes. My mom tells me to take the dahi ka patila outside, and on the way I drop it. So, हाँ, तो वो डबल काम हो जाता है. So that happens, unfortunately. But probably all we can do is be more mindful, be more careful, right? That is all. And butterfingers जो होते हैं वो पतीले को और ज्यादा अच्छे से पकड़ना. That is all. And just apologize, hug your mom, and move on. Now, Muskan also helps your mom, your mother in everything, even your father are very good. Shabash. If your father can be helped, please help him also. He also comes back home tired. Uh, Try to help your parents, try to make their life easier in any way possible. Okay, मैं बस यहाँ पे बैठ के ऐਵੇਂ ही बातें नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm trying to tell you how you can make your lives and your parents' lives easier. So tell your parents about your little wins. कि मम्मी आज पता है स्कूल से आते वक्त I saw one little boy or a little girl falling from her cycle. तो तुरंत जाके किसी ने हेल्प नहीं की, मैं दौड़ के गया या दौड़ के गई एंड उसको हेल्प की. Right? So tell your mother, tell your father about all this. Tell your little wins every single day, and try to do a good deed every single day. Now, तो the people who push you the most, सबसे ज्यादा जो आपको push करते हैं are often the ones who believe in you the most. So why do our parents always push us in the right direction? Because they know कि आपकी worth क्या है, how good you are as a person, how good you can do, how well you can do in the world, right? So go talk to them, not as an enemy, but as a teammate. Now, parents, teachers, and elders, they are your listeners when you open up. Okay, so when you decide to open up, you ask them कि आप please just बात सुनो मेरी. आज I don't want to converse with you. I don't want a conversation. I just want somebody to listen to me. कोई तो सुन ले मेरी बात, right? Sometimes our parents are occupied with their own problems. उनके problems जो हमें नहीं पता होती है, वो नहीं बताते हमें, right? क्योंकि they want us to focus only on our work, only on our studies and do better. So when you feel कि okay, my mother, my father are थोड़े से relaxed अभी, तब you go talk to them. They are your motivators when you doubt yourself. When you feel, Arey, I'm not good enough. I'm not scoring well. I don't know what to do. समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, वगैरह वगैरह. So they are your first motivators. Your teachers are your motivators. Arey, don't worry, beta. You will do really well. So I had this one teacher who showed her belief in me, who motivated me at the right time. If that day she would have said कि अरे तुमसे नहीं होगा, why are you even thinking about that? So I wouldn't have been happy. I wouldn't have been where I am right now. I am extremely happy with my life, with the choices I have made. So it happened because that teacher believed in me, right? Um, your guides, they are your guides when you are lost. So all your elders who truly are trying the best for you, who are trying to make sure that you get the best in life, they are your guides when you are lost. Okay, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या करूं. I just can't think of anything else. I can't think of a solution. They are the ones you go talk to. Now, what is that one thing that you are grateful for in your home and in your school? It could be anything, it could be anyone, it could be your teachers, your friends, it could be one teacher, or it could be your parents, your siblings, absolutely anything. Tell me, what is that one thing that you are grateful for in your home and in your school? Yes, of course, go ahead.
Ma'am, at home. a mother who is always trying to be with me.
Mhm.
That's the most grateful thing what I have at my home. Who is always be there for me, whatever I do, whatever I want to achieve, whatever are my desires or what are my goals in my life. She is always there. She never stops me. And in school, I had teachers who not always make me feel that I'm good, but
Mhm.
also make me understand where am I going down, or where I need to improve, where I want to change myself, where I want to change my approach to be better, to be the best,
Mhm.
and not always just say that, yeah, you are good, you don't need to
Work on
change
anything.
anything. But
Right.
the ones who point out your mistakes are the best ones who
Mhm.
tell you how to be the best.
Correct. Exactly. Constructive criticism. Very important. And a teacher's job. Correct. Yes, what about others? लॉग इन करके सो गए. You can even say you're not grateful for anything, if that's the case. I'm not here to judge you. Yes, what is that one thing you are grateful for in your home and in your school? Is anybody grateful for their siblings? बड़ा भाई, बड़ी बहन, छोटा भाई, छोटी बहन? No?
मैम स्कूल
Okay. स्कूल में कौन?
मैम कोमल
हाँ हाँ. यस कोमल. तो स्कूल में आप किस चीज के लिए ग्रेटफुल हो? कोई टीचर है जो आपको बहुत पसंद है, जो आपको मोटिवेट करती है?
यस मैम टीचर
टीचर. ओके, वेरी नाइस. शाबाश. I'm very glad that you all appreciate your teachers so much, because I know the effort that goes, behind every single class, every single session that they take. It's extremely important to remember to respect them, okay, and to consciously not disrespect them, right? Okay, now the cheerleader mindset. So, this is the takeaway for today. You all are the leaders of your own lives, of your own choices. ठीक है? Cheer means सबसे पहले communication. That depends on your leadership mindset, depends on your communication. How well do you communicate with others? How well do you communicate with yourself? So, communication is not just talking. ओके, बात करे जा रहे हैं, करे जा रहे हैं, करे जा रहे हैं. इट इज ऑल्सो लिसनिंग. नाउ इन दिस सेशन फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैंने आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछा एंड तुरंत विद इन द नेक्स्ट सेकेंड आई चेंज द स्लाइड एंड आई चेंज द टॉपिक, तो आप बोलोगे कि मैम फिर पूछा क्यों, आपको सुननी नहीं थी तो, राइट? तो कम्युनिकेशन इज टॉकिंग एंड लिसनिंग. लिसनिंग इज इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट. जब आप सुनते हो तब यू लर्न अ लॉट. ओके. Now, H stands for honesty. How honest you are, आप कितने ईमानदार हो with yourself and with others. Okay? Be honest. Always cheating कर रहे हो तो accept करो. Honestly accept करो. Okay? Cheating is not good, but at least चलो you accepted it. Right? At least ईमानदारी दिखाते हो. Now, empathy. Empathy is सहानुभूति दिखाना. Do you try to understand where that person is coming from? Do you try to understand कि okay, my parents had a difficult day today, तो थोड़ा सा उन्होंने मुझे डांट दिया, तो I will not hold on to it. Okay, I will show the empathy, I will show the understanding. If I was in their place, तो शायद मैं और ज्यादा चिढ़ता या चिढ़ती. Right? नेक्स्ट इज एफर्ट. आप एफर्ट कितना डालते हो हर एक चीज जो आप करते हो. देयर वाज अ ये एक इंटरव्यू पढ़ा था मैंने एक सेलिब्रिटी का, जिसमें दैट सेलिब्रिटी सेड कि यू टेल मी एनीथिंग, यू टेल मी टू डू एनीथिंग, यू टेल मी टू पेंट अ वॉल, ओके, I will give my 100% effort to it. 100%. Okay? उससे कम मैं तो सोचती भी नहीं. So is that something that you can live by or some other principle that you can live by? Think about it. And last is respect करना. खुद की respect करना and दूसरों की respect करना extremely important. ओके डिसरिस्पेक्ट करके दो दिन के लिए आपको कूल लगेगा, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा कि अरे देखा मैंने उसको कैसे बोला. बट ट्रस्ट मी, nobody respects the person who disrespects others. All right, this is the rule that you need to live by. Thank you so much for coming today, and we,
Mom, I
yes,
want to add one thing. Like the cheerleader is perfect, but I want to add one more quality mm, to our session.
yeah, please do.
Mom, value to value
Absolutely.
things, people around us. To not
Right.
just always doubt or criticize them, but also to respect them what and how they are.
Right, absolutely, 100%. So we can probably change this to we cheerleader or cheerleader we dash we.
Yes,
Yeah. So you're absolutely right.